It's time for change to shape the future of our mobility. Safe, sustainable, and with people at its center. The innovative passenger counting system controls the exact number of people on board buses and trams. From smart bus shelters or the ATB mobile app, you can get information on the timetable in real time and the number of passengers on incoming trips to be informed and updated on the service. The ATB Operations Center, via dedicated terminals, is constantly connected to the system. From the onboard console, the driver can see the number of passengers. This cloud-based technology allows us to monitor passenger flows and the progress of the service in order to offer the best travel experience possible. Safe, connected, and informed. The future of our mobility? Move better, to live better, and breathe better. ATB, back to better mobility.